video, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make 4 custom decks. I already showed you behind the scenes clip last time, oh god. But today I'm going to be showing you how to customize your decks at home. I did it on 4 different decks with 3 different methods. One is hydro dipping. You've seen it multiple times on my channel before. Another one is an acrylic pour method. I have done that once before, and this is now the second time. And then the other one is using a sponge and just acrylic paints. And the reason I did that is because I wanted to create a rust effect. So let me know down in the comments below if you think that I actually nailed that rust effect or that rust style. I think it did pretty good. I'll grab the deck for you real quick. So this is part of it right here. I just want to kind of show you the rust effect that I did using a sponge and about 4 or 5 different colors. Personally, I think it turned out great, but again, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. This is one of the acrylic pour methods that we did, just to kind of give you a sneak peek of that one. And then this is another one of those hydro dipping decks that I've done several of in the past. And that's kind of the theme that we're going with right there that you can see in the corner. But yeah, that's 3 of the decks that I've done. I'm currently working on the 4th one. It will not be finished in this video. My dog randomly started choking while I was filming. He seems to be okay though. Okay, goodbye Ollie. The 4th deck will not be finished in this video. I only did it so I can show you another way that you can hydro dip boards. This time I actually used masking tape on the deck versus the other one I did not. I just kind of full sent it and I'll have to sand it later. So do the job correctly, mask everything up before you do it. If not, it turns into a mess like that, or that looks like that. And that all could have been avoided if I just masked up the deck. I just was really impatient and didn't want to do it. I've been doing this for about 4 or 5 days now, so I'm pretty worn out and I want to go skate and I want to do other content besides make custom decks. But I've been really focused on trying to get these done because they are for customer. And if you didn't know this, or if you haven't seen the videos, I do have a website where you can purchase decks. They're about $45 to $50 depending on which deck you pick. So check out shopkeeganco.com if you're interested in getting into skating for a very affordable price, or I like to say it's affordable, so check it out. Anyway, let's just start today's video. they are. This is kind of the finished look. I am still not done with this one here, and I still need to do clear coat on all three of them. I did kind of show you a little bit of this one, but I went back and added more texture around here to make it look like it is still rusting, if that makes sense. But really hyped on that one. I think it's pretty cool. The rust effect, again, like I said, I think it works, but not really sure. This one is absolutely insane. So is that one. If you didn't know, these letters right here, those are reflective. So is that. I was trying to get the whole car to be reflective, but ended up messing it up, so had to redo it. And now we have just the black and white. And this one is on my website right now. So if you want a different kind of style of this one or a different color of this one, you can order this one and I'll make it right here on the channel. But yeah, this is all three of them. Really hyped on it. It was a long process to get to this point, especially with designing everything and not knowing how to really work Photoshop, but also learning at the same time. So I'd say I did a pretty darn good job. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Which one is your favorite? I'd say maybe that one or maybe that one. But remember guys, that is reflective. If I can show it on video, I would, but I can't. So I'm sorry. Anyway, that's these three decks finished. The fourth one, like I said, will not be featured. It was just to show you another cool color way that you could do. That brings us to the end of the video, so thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm really exhausted and worn out from working my day job and from doing this, so let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. I think I'm going to go skate, so if I do that, what would you guys want to see? I'm also going to partner up with Concrete Party Skateboards, who purchased a deck from last giveaway. I bought a carbon fiber deck from them, and I'm going to partner with them, so keep a lookout for that video here pretty soon. But yeah, I will see y'all on the next one. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe, you know what to do. Later guys. Oh, that was easy. Wow. Oh god. Oh my god. I need more room. Bye, Ollie. Bye.